This is the Large Metro Tote Deluxe in the color Magnet by MZ Wallace. I love that this tote bag has so many thoughtful and useful pockets, which I'll go more into detail later on in this video. The gold hardware looks great with this gray color. I couldn't decide between the gray one versus this pinkish white version of the Large Metro Tote Deluxe. This one they call it Rose. This pink bag has silver hardware throughout, and it also looks terrific. I just love how the inside is so light colored, and it's cute overall, of course. But yeah, I really wish that the gray or magnet colored tote had a lighter colored lining inside. Here's how it looks when you use the back pocket as a trolley sleeve for your luggage. In this example, I'm using my carry-on. Here they are side by side. They are both so super cute, but I can only keep one. So I ended up keeping the gray one, and this is how it looks on me. So I'll show you the pockets. In the front, there's one that goes down to about here. It's great for cell phones. And then I love that it has this extra little pocket right in here, right at the top flap. And it also has it on this side. So it's basically right in there and right in here, outside of the main compartment. So there's two of those, and they're really big. And then once we go inside the main bag, you'll see that there's two pockets here with nice leather lining, and then there's a zipper pocket here, like most bags have. But inside of it, there's not only the pocket, but there's two other smaller sectional pockets here. And in front, there's a little kind of like card size holder right there. So the back has this big pocket here with a magnetic snap closure, but it can turn into that trolley sleeve. So here's the bottom, and you can see there's a zipper here, so you can open that up and it turns into a trolley sleeve. And just like the front, it has this small pocket here, which is perfect for like cell phones or your hand sanitizer or your sunglasses, you know. So, love it. And then here are the, oh, and I forgot to show you that, but you saw it earlier in the video, there's this little, I guess, hook for the 3 zip pouches that it comes with. So here's the first, it comes with this large one, a medium one, so you can see the difference in size, and then a small little one. And these you can hook them, as you saw earlier, on this part. I guess I figured that the gray one, in case it gets dirty, you know, you can't really tell. So here's the shoulder strap on the shortest setting. This is how it looks. And here's how it looks a bit longer. I don't have anything inside the bag right now. So I've already used this on several travels, as well as just like overnight stays at my sister's house, and it works really well. I love how soft it is, and all the different pockets, which I mentioned earlier. And yeah, so I hope this helps.